Yeah, the day has finally arrived and I am sitting on the RS457. It feels like a dream for me, guys. Seriously. Finally a parallel twin bike on the house. Oh my god. I can literally feel the heat. The heat dissipation has already started. You know, like my sister was sitting on the bike when I initially started shifting the gear at 4000 rpm. The torque is high on this motorcycle and it gave me the jerk. And for that reason she was saying not to ride fast. You know, like I'm not even riding fast. This is a new motorcycle here. I'm riding it slow. A dream come true moment for me, because I have been eyeing on this bike for the past 8 months. Since I started riding this motorcycle, I fell in love with this bike, and finally things are happening and I'm feeling really happy. And if you ask me about the riding posture, yes, it is aggressive. It is too aggressive from my perspective, but I will get used to it. The same happened when I bought R15 6 years back. At a point of time I even thought of selling the motorcycle because it was too sporty, but after a couple of months I completely got used to it. I promise that I will get used to this motorcycle as well. We have finally arrived at the temple. It's too much crowded today. I think I will not be able to find a place to park my vehicle over there. But still, being a two-wheeler, I think I can somehow adjust in some small places as well. We have finally done with all the puja for the RS457. The 2025 RS457 has a price hike of 10,000 rupees. So if you guys are asking for the actual on-road price, I would say that this costed me 5,22,981, which is 5.23 lakhs. I'm very much happy with the purchase, because if I have bought the Triumph or the Duke 390, I wouldn't be that much satisfied since it's a naked motorcycle. But this one, this is a sports bike and I totally love that, man. I totally love it. Let me take my hand and I could say that it is going to one side. So it's something which is happening still with the Aprilia. And I know that many people would ask me why you are getting a sports motorcycle at this age. See bro, it's not about age. I can't say that after like 40 or 50 so I will not be riding the sports bike. That's not the case. If you have the passion for something, you have to do that. No matter whatever it is, whatever others say, never ever take that in your mind. Believe me guys, never ever take that. Even though if you get married, even though if you have kids, even though if you have grandchildren, what bothers others? I'm not going to take money from others. I earn, I pay for this, and I'm feeling happy. So I'm almost going to reach my home and I'm feeling totally happy, because this is one of the most happiest day in my life. I'm taking delivery of my dream bike, and more or less for the past 3 to 4 years I've been driving the second-hand motorcycles. Initially I took delivery of the R15 as a new bike, but later on after 2021 I haven't taken any new bike delivery. So this has happened after 4 years of waiting, and finally the day is here. So with a happy note I would like to conclude this video, and soon there are going to be a lot more exciting contents on this channel. Stay tuned guys, catch you guys soon on another video. Till then, ride safe, wear helmet, and take care.